Welcome to the Don Imran Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make chocolate coconut energy balls. Okay, let's begin by adding in 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of almonds, 1/3 of a cup of cacao powder. That's organic cacao powder, link's going to be in the description. 1 cup of dates, this may be equal to 20 dates in the bowl. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract goes inside. Finally, a pinch of salt goes inside. And now it's time to grind. So now what we're going to do is we have grinded the mixture, so just emptying it out now. Okay, so what we've done over here is we've taken it out of the grinder once it's been blended. So you just want to get the mixture and just roll it into your hands. And then once you've done that, it will turn into these bite-sized balls, which then become very convenient for you to eat once it's this shape. And so far, we've got this many made, but got some remaining mixture over here, so we're going to convert all of these into bite-sized balls. Okay, so what you want to do over here is once you've turned the mixture into bite-sized balls, you have this desiccated coconut, and you want to just like pour enough onto a plate from time to time. Get one of these bite-sized balls and just try to coat this. Just flip it around, rotate it, get the coating of the coconut to go on it. So that is that. So I'll put that on the side and then we move on to the next one. I have made many recipes that have cacao powder in them in the recent past, and I wanted to quickly mention that cacao powder is a very powerful antioxidant. And why antioxidants are important is because it really helps with premature aging. And cacao powder has immense benefits, of which some that I may mention over here that may be important to some of you is that it's very good in helping you shed some excess fat. Cacao powder is very good at combating fatigue. So those people who feel a bit lethargic and lazy, it's very good for them. And also it helps to shield your skin and also provide you with glowing skin. So there's many benefits to cacao powder. The particular cacao powder that we use is from Superfoods. It's an organic form of cacao powder, which is fantastic. So do check the description for the link in there. Go ahead and try this recipe that we've made today. And also, if you can, try out this particular cacao powder so that you can derive immense benefits from it. So with that said, do like this video. There's a like button, the big thumbs up, which is beneath this video. Do hit that like button. Also hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already, which you can find close to the like button. And also, if you hit the subscribe button, there will be a bell icon that will show. If you hit the bell icon, you will then be informed of our daily releases. We have over 200 videos on our channel currently. So if you haven't watched them, do go ahead and watch some of them. We have various different playlists from chicken dishes, meat dishes, vegetarian dishes, different desserts, obviously sweet dishes and beverages, superfoods. So do go check those out. And with that said, catch you in the next one.